Do you guys want to see how big my tires are? It looks small on my truck, but they're a pain in the ass. How big they are. 285, 70, 17. They're freaking heavy too. Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. Oh, come on. Oh. Ah. Change time. So first thing we do, it's so weird that my oil filter is at the top in this 3.6 Pentastar Jeep motor. It's on top. Usually they're on the bottom depending on the manufacturer. So yeah, sure. Anyways, I just want to crack this guy a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil from the pan at the bottom. See me. Hello. Check it out. Can you see me? Alright, next thing, oil, pan, nut. So this bad boy, bro, no manchen. Okay, so yeah, that wasn't fun. All right, this guy is going to come out with the vengeance. Ready? I hope I don't make a mess. My dad's gonna get mad. Ah, get to the chopper. Ah, woo. Oh boy, beepy time. From that point on, I'll see you guys in un ratito, fool. Now it's time to replace it with the new oil filter, which is weird. It's at the top. I think some like German cars have them on top. I think what was it? We had a Volkswagen Passat, and I believe it was on top as well. So this guy's beat up. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, what in the world? So there you have it. So what I wanted to do is I want to show you guys how you take this off. All you gotta do is just realistically is just, it locks and then just pull it off. Like that. And it's nasty. Fuchis. Okay. And then there's this O-ring right here that you can see it. We gotta replace it. The kit comes with the new one, so we just gotta replace it. I'll show you guys how to do it in a minute. And we're back. Okay. So all we gotta do is just get a flathead screwdriver. Some people call it to get a pick, and you don't need it. You just need a flathead screwdriver. All you guys can do is put it through the bottom and then take it off. Simple as 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Now here's your fresh filter. Go filter fish. Alright. This is a dude right here. There's an O-ring right here. Comes with a brand new one. The old one, didn't even pay attention to it. I don't know if I had one or not, but anyways, let's see if it's not stuck over there. No, it's not. All right, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna get our new one. Now, we gotta lubricate this bad boy. So, we will get some oil and échale gas, fool. All we gotta do is just lubricate a little bit. The same oil. And then we're gonna put it back. Ahí está, mi chavo. Chulada. All right. So, we just want to clear this bad boy up a little bit. Make sure there's no yonke. Yonke. Ay, wait. See, I'm making a mess. What a jerk. Did I catch that on camera? I did, huh? We'll just use it for lubricant right here. Make it look shiny. Sometimes you gotta blow it. All right, get down, Charlie Brown. You pop that bad boy in, it sticks, and all we gotta do from this point on is put it in, screw it in. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, so all I did was screw it in, get this bad boy, put it in, get your ratchet. And then we're gonna tighten that bad boy up. It says 25 Newton meters, but all I'm gonna do is really, it's like a hand tight kind of, so when it stops, that's it. That's all this bad boy needs. Because then if not, it'll be too tight and then stuff starts to break. And I think, honestly, that's how the dude broke it. I think he tried to over tighten it and it broke. So the part is replaceable. It's not a big deal. I can go ahead and get a new one, but you kind of want to pay attention to what you're doing, because stuff like this, you don't need to buy it. If you're like careful, like whatever. Anyways, it's time to add oil to this bad boy. So let's pause. And we're back. Okay, so oil time. Now, Jeep calls for OW20 full synthetic. This one's advanced full synthetic. Aura. For gasoline engines. Dun, dun, dun. They actually made a diesel in this Gladiator. I can't remember what the displacement was. 2.0. No, ya no me acuerdo. But anyways, 3.6 Pentastar V6. It's a V6 and a V6. But anyways, I googled it. I did a quick Google search, and apparently this engine likes Mobil 1. I forgot what other ones that they like. Pennzoil, I think it was another one, but this one was on top, so I don't know if it's right or not, but I'm going based off what my research found. And also, this is a 5-gallon quart. 5 quart, not 5 gallons, 5 quarts. Mobil 1. So it just calls for one of these bad boys. So we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and pour this bad boy in. I said 5 gallons. What a mamón. Échale, mi chavo. So let's not forget about our rags, because if you make a mistake and you accidentally throw some on the engine block here, then when you're driving along, you can be like, hey, why is my motor burning up, vato? So you want to make sure that mistakes happen. I wouldn't be surprised if I spill a little right now. We're gonna try our best not to make a mess. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bule bule. Bule bule. Bule bule. Ay, ay, ay. Too fast. Pay attention, I thought I was looking at the camera. Alright, here we go, baby. Chug it down, baby. Chug, 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 chug. Go, go, go. Chug, chug. Limon. Trágame limon. Chug, 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 chug. Ew, 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 ew. Dang, girl, I'm thirsty. Alright. Get down, Charlie Brown. Chale todo, fool. Alright. Alright. Ahí están los 5 gallons. Qué bueno, mamón, ¿no? 5 quarts, vato. I'm sorry, eh. I did it for the interweb. Chale todo, vato, porque estos motores ocupan mucho aceite, vato. Échale, échale, échale. Está cara esa madre. Alright, alright. Get down, Charlie Brown. Se la trago toda. Now, you get this vato right here. And then we put it back in. Órale. Hey, there's a greña. Alright, hey. Alright. This one, hasta que until it stops. So there's no realistic like torque spec or alright, guys. That's pretty much it. Well, now we gotta check the oil in the dipstick. But first, I need to turn the truck on, let it run for about 5 seconds, and then let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll check the oil. Alright, so tire pressure is next. So one of the most basic fundamental things you could do is check your tire pressure, I don't know, roughly about once a month. Now these are new and these are big. Typically we would do something like this, 33, 35 PSIs. Apparently this thing is at 37. Now these are not the original tires for the truck. These are actually factory Jeep Rubicon wheels and tires. So obviously this is a Jeep Gladiator Overland trim, which these are aftermarket. Well, they're stock. You get my idea. But the point is that the previous owner put these on, and the information that's shown on the side of the panel, here I'll show you. So the information shown here is calling for 38 PSIs. 38 PSIs. So this is on a stock Overland tire, which is a 245 75 17. So yeah, so basically this is not the stock wheels and tires. So I just researched these specific tires, and according to Google it says they should be at 37 PSI. So I'm going to check all 4 tires and then go ahead and set the PSIs. So in order for this pump to work, the truck's got to be on. So you can see they're at 33. So let's go ahead and bring those bad boys up to the 37 PSI that are required. Alright, next project. Same day, same dirty clothes. The back cover. Hey yo, check it out. It was a little tedious, but this thing fit like a dime. Now get this strap and then tighten it right here. Oh, my fingers. I'm gonna smash my fingers. Ow. Now you gotta do the other side. This. Oh, I'm gonna get my fingers again. Ow. Oh, there it goes. And that's it. Okay, roll it nice and tight. There you go. Keep going. Now these little hooks gotta go in the hole. Do the other side. It's okay, you guys do this side too. Push it in. There you go. Now push down. Push down. Right here in the middle. Push down. 1, 2, 3. There it goes.
And then
Alright guys, so I didn't do an outro. So the video I just did was for funny type of content. It was not me suggesting. I'm not a professional. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy that kind of handy with tools, but a lot of the specifics, you know, like a lot of the enthusiasts that are hardcore that know specifics as to like torque specs and do this, do that, and etc. You know, I'm not that guy. So it's all shits and giggles. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't do the outro like I said. I do want to make a correction. I was looking at the plate on the side of the door there, and I made a mistake. I gave you guys information based on the spare, but it's 255/70 18s at 38 psi, which is the front and rear tires. The spare is a 245/75 17 at 36 psi. So again, like I said, the video was just not intended for hardcore enthusiasts. Very basic maintenance stuff, you know, oil changes, tire rotations. I put on the tonneau cover. I've never put one on before, but I just looked at the instructions and kind of just followed it and was able to get it. So I'm going to continue posting more content. I know I haven't posted any content in a very long time, so I appreciate all you guys out there following me, and with hopes that a lot has happened. Like, I got rid of my Hyundai Tucson. If you follow my page, I had a 2023 Hyundai Tucson, and I just picked up this Jeep Gladiator. I'm going to post, we did go to Azusa Canyon, and we went ahead and went off-roading. So my daughter, she just learned how to drive, so she's got her permit, so she actually was driving out that way too, so it's pretty fun. So I have a video pending right now that I'm working on, so with hopes that you guys can appreciate it. But again, all you hardcore enthusiasts, this is not, forgive me, this was all, you know, fun, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, evening. I'm not sure what time you guys are watching this video, but God bless everybody, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for following. Thanks. Have a good night.